Welcome guys. Power by online training exploit.
And today I am gonna showing you how to assemble and disassemble Lenovo laptops. So guys, let's get started. As it seems, it's the Lenovo laptops. Here it is mentioned. So all you have to do is first open all the screw whatever are there. See, there will be some screw with the help of screwdriver. See, it's having 4 squares. So open all the screw. I put it all this there. So there will be some screw. Remove the batteries. Remember there will be a screw. See, you have to open this one also. After that, remove the CD-ROMs. Here will be a screw for the CD-ROMs. Open it. Take a screwdrivers and open these slots. Open these complete slots. So there will be some screw. We need to open these slots because here will be some screw which we have to open up. See, there will be some screw which I already opened. And this is the screw for that hard disks. This is the RAMs and this is CMOS battery. So leave all this. There will be some screw which we have to open. After that, open the lid piece. And remove these keyboards. So for removing this keyboard, take a slight screw and pull it there. So it will easy. Their purpose I am using slide keyboard. Open it as much as possible. So my keyboard is removed. See, here will be unlocked. Be careful about it. So just slide over it. It will be open. See. Now the next slides. See, be careful about, guys. There will be another screw which we have to open before opening this complete slots. Okay. As I already opened that slots, that is true. So, and most importantly, be careful about these slots which we have to open out. So I opened, and there will be another one. See, I am opened. There will be another one for the fan, maybe for the power key. Sorry. So my work is done. Now I can able to open this slots so easily. So this is all about. There are 3 slots, keyboards, and after that CD-ROMs. First we need to open the CD-ROMs of after that the keyboards, and after that this there is mousepad slots.
Please do subscribe to my channel.